magbigay na chosen destination. Okay, so based on that chosen destination, okay, ano ang hindi pa na-offer doon sa napili yung destination? Diba? Maraming binigay na type of tourism, agritourism, nature tourism, adventure tourism, but on your destination that you have chosen, ano yung hindi pa na-promote pero potential na nandoon sa destination? Klaro? Okay, for example, sabihin natin Palawan. Okay? Palawan is being promoted as nature tourism. Diba? Kasi known for the very beautiful seascape or coastal. Okay? Pero, for example, they are also producing abaca as part or coffee and abaca as part of their products. So, all of these products, i-connect nyo sa tourism. Okay? Ano yung possible pa na magiging activity ng package tour nyo? Okay? Na nakafocus doon sa emerging activity na yun. Nakuha ba? Baka kasi halimbawa, ang Palawan because of their, halimbawa lang ha, because of their product na nagpuproduce sila ng coffee, ano baka pwede silang farm coffee tourism? Diba? So parang dadagdagan yung portfolio ng Palawan. Gets mo? Okay? That's why I ask you to choose an emerging destination. Kasi pag famous na, mahirapan kayo ngayon mag-focus o hanapan siya ng possible activity. Wherein kung emerging, yan, marami pa yan. Okay? Lalo hindi pa siya kilala. Nakuha po, I'm going to check tomorrow the profile of your company. Ngayon, kung makita ko doon, sabihin mo, yung slogan is about sustainable. Okay? So dapat, i-expect ko na your product, your offering, your package that you will offer is a sustainable tour package. Okay. Ako ako. Okay, so tomorrow i-check ko yung profile ng company. Now, this one, palihog ko, maminaw, kasi i-apply nyo ito. You will create brochure of the tour package that you will create. Okay? Now, pamunahan